Okay, so here we are. We're testing the new handheld tripod for the iPhone, and so far it's working. We're testing the microphone with this video as well, so if the microphone is not, or the audio is not very good, I apologize, but I am exclusively using an external microphone with this setup here. So right now we're going to be doing an install of I guess that's Tensa wood, and it's just kind of a night stand table, whatever you want to call it, but it's got drawers, so it's not really a table, and it's not really a dresser, but it's going to sit right over there for when my daughter stays, and we're going to see how long this thing takes to build. It's a lot of pieces, but hopefully it'll be like the desk that I have in another video where it went together in about 15 minutes. So we shall see. Typically I find that this kind of install with this particle board is usually a little bit longer, so I'm anticipating about 20 to 30 minutes to do the install completely. It's got some instructions, it's got a handful of pieces of parts and all kinds of goodies. So here we go. Okay, so we've got it built. Took about 30 minutes, just like I thought. And part of that was because I had some mishaps with some of the fasteners. They were stuck together and I couldn't get them apart. But yeah, overall, pretty simple, pretty straightforward instructions. Got a drawer, if I can, pulls open, closes, no problems. Got a little cubby down here. Yeah, it's a good little system. And I wanted something that didn't raise up over the bed there. And obviously we'll shift this around depending on where she wants it, but it's lightweight and pretty nice. I like it, and it was relatively inexpensive, so check it out. I have a link in the description down below. I do appreciate the support, and as always, hope you learned something. On to the next.